In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add horizontal line in Tradingview. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. You don't need anything fancy here, just make sure you're on the main charting page. If you're not already signed in, you can still follow along, but having an account lets you save your work. Give the page a second to load. Tradingview's charting tools appear once the workspace is ready. Next, look to the right side of the screen where you'll see the watch list. This is where symbols like stocks, crypto, or forex pairs live. Choose a symbol from that list by clicking it. If you don't see what you need, you can use the search bar at the top to find the ticker you want, but selecting from the watch list is the quickest way to get a chart up for the instrument you're analyzing. Now open the chart in full view. You'll see an option called full chart. Go ahead and click it. This expands the workspace so you can use the entire tool set without distractions. The full chart gives you the left-hand toolbar, the top settings bar, and a clear price scale on the right, which makes placing and aligning lines much easier. On the left toolbar, find the drawing tools. Look for the icon that represents the trend line tools. It usually looks like a diagonal line. Click it to open the list of related tools. This is the hub for many drawing options you'll use regularly, including trend lines, rays, and the horizontal line we need. From that expanded menu, choose horizontal. This is the horizontal line tool. It creates a perfectly level line that stretches across the entire chart, which is ideal for marking support and resistance zones or key price levels you want to monitor. With the horizontal tool active, draw your horizontal line by clicking once on the exact price level where you want it to sit. The line will snap to that price and extend across the chart. If you want to fine-tune it, you can drag it up or down to align with recent highs, lows, or a round number. Clicking the line opens its settings, where you can change color, thickness, and add a label so the level is clearly identified. If you plan to keep it, consider locking the line so you don't accidentally move it while analyzing the chart. And remember, using consistent colors for different types of levels, like one color for support and another for resistance, can make your charts easier to read at a glance. That's it. You've added a horizontal line in Tradingview quickly and cleanly, and you're ready to continue your analysis with a clear visual reference.